Yo, what is up, guys? Your boys back with another video. This is going to be a short and sweet, simple video. Just want to thank you guys for all the love and support you guys have shown.
Absolutely.
We have a 250 subscriber giveaway, brand new GoPro, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I mean, this is mainly what that video is about. It's going to cover all that.
Yep.
So once we hit 250, we're going to go out, buy a brand new GoPro, give it away to one lucky subscriber. So, and how to enter that, you just gotta subscribe, like, and comment the videos. Once we hit 250, that's basically when everything's gonna go down. So.
Yep. Do some type of raffle, something like that. So just please stay tuned, and we appreciate the support.
Yep.